سبیل الفت و عشق خدا لگتی ہے جلسے میں.
By the grace of Allah, Jamaat-e-Ahmadiyya Kasai Central successfully organized its two-day provincial 13th Jalsa Salana in Kananga, Congo, Kinshasa. To lead the convention, the Amir and missionary in charge of Congo, Kinshasa, respected Khalid Mahmoud Shahid Sahib, arrived in the city where he was welcomed by an enthusiastic gathering of Jamaat members at the airport. During his visit, Amir Sahib led the delegation to meet the governor of Kasai Central, Joseph Moise Kambulu, at the Governor House. In this high-profile meeting, Amir Sahib briefed the governor on the community's humanitarian services and social welfare projects across the country. Amir Sahib also called upon the acting and vice president of the Provincial Assembly, Honorable Stephen Kasoy. During the meeting, Amir Sahib highlighted the spiritual objectives of Jalsa Salana and the community's commitment to fostering peace and morality within the society. A significant highlight of the visit was the inauguration of the newly built Basharat Mosque in Kananga. This mosque stands as a new center for spiritual guidance and the peaceful passage of Islam in the region. Preparations for the Jalsa began 2 months in advance, with Khuddam playing a vital role through Wakari-amal. A day before the formal commencement of the Jalsa, Amir Sahib conducted a detailed inspection of the venue and reviewed the arrangements. On this occasion, he met with the Khuddam and volunteers on duty. In light of the blessed guidance of Hazrat Khalifatul Masih Khami Sayyidullah Ta'ala bin Nasril Aziz, he provided them with valuable advice regarding their responsibilities and the hospitality of the guests of the promised Messiah ﷺ. The Jalsa drew participants from 121 different Jamaats, highlighting their immense devotion. Several members walked over 200 kilometers to reach the convention. To ensure the well-being of the attendees, a special medical camp was set up providing healthcare services throughout the event. The Jalsa proceedings started with the flag hosting ceremony, after which the formal program was started. The President of the Provincial Assembly, Honorable Gaius Bungu Kashala, was the guest of honor at the last day of Jalsa. He addressed the gathering. He remarked, "It is through the Ahmadiyya community that I have been introduced to Islam for the first time. I have read all the banners, especially the motto, 'Love for all, hatred for none,' a message the world desperately needs today." He urged the participants to implement the teachings of the Jalsa in their daily lives. The final session concluded with a keynote address by Amir Sahib on the importance and blessings of Jalsa Salana. The event ended with a silent prayer, leaving a profound spiritual impact on the region. By the grace of Allah, the Jalsa received significant media coverage. In addition to 3 internet sites and the local radio station, 7 other radio stations, including the provincial channel, broadcasted news of the event. As a result, the message of Jamaat reached an estimated audience of 2 lakh people. Alhamdulillah.